Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can easily lock a worksheet, password protect a worksheet. So a lot of times with Excel, you might have sensitive or confidential information that you don't want to share with certain people. And so one easy way to protect that is to create a password associated with an Excel file. And then that way you can share the file, share the password separately, and only certain people that you want to give access to will be able to get in and be able to access the data within the Excel file. So again, it's very, very easy to use. We'll walk through that now. So once you have your sheet or workbook that you want to lock, all you have to do is go to File. You want to go down to Info. You click on Info, and then you'll see there is Protect Workbook. And this is where we want to click. And it'll give us a drop-down menu. And there's a couple different things that you can do here. You can ask that it's always open as read-only, encrypt with the password, which is what we're going to be doing today. You can protect the structure, the whole workbook, can restrict access, and do some other things with digital signatures and mark as final. But today we're just going to go ahead and encrypt with a password. So something that you need to know though is if you encrypt this with a password, that you cannot forget that password. If you ever do, you will not be able to access the data in the file again, because it will always require a password. So just keep that in mind as you are doing that, as you encrypt with passwords. So we're going to go ahead and click on it now. And so again, it's going to ask us for the password that we want to create. Just for demo's sake, we're going to just do password 123. And then again, remember, if you lose or forget the password, it cannot be recovered. So it's something that you might want to keep the password written down somewhere, keep it somewhere safe so that you do not forget it, and it is case sensitive. So we'll go ahead and hit OK, and then it's going to ask us to re-enter. So we'll just go ahead and hit our password again. So again, ours is just password 123. Hit OK. And so now it is password protected. You can see a password is required to open this workbook. So we'll go ahead, we're just going to go home, or excuse me, we'll just go back. I'm going to make sure it's saved here, and then we're going to close it down. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and we're going to find that file once again. So I saved it as locked worksheet. We're going to click on it, and it's going to open here. And so now it's asking us for the password. So let's say I do the password, it's just password. I forget the 123, which I saved earlier. Can hit OK. The password you supplied is not correct, so it's going to ask you to double correct it. So we'll go ahead, we'll enter in the correct password. We'll go ahead and have to reopen it again. So now we'll try password 123. We'll hit OK here. And now the file is open and we have access to the password, and we're able to go ahead and manipulate the data as we need to, and it will all work fine and correctly. So again, a very useful tool if you are dealing with confidential or sensitive information, to remember how to go in and set up a password for the file. So again, I hope this is helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions around this, and please remember to subscribe to the Excel Guy. Thanks and have a great day.